welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. In this video, I'm going to be doing a milk bath, but with some fruit slices. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to be doing them with full cover tips, my Makartt pink, and these cute little fruit slices that I got on Amazon. First, I started with my base coat and I put that on each one of my nails and cured that for about 60 seconds. Now I am attempting the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method, so I'm really excited. I did do 2 different ways that I'll show you here in my video. First, I put a nice bead on my full cover tip and I spread it very thinly. Then what I did was I put my fruit slices where I wanted them and I just really pushed them in there because since the tip is clear, I just wanted them to peek out as much as they possibly could. Then I went ahead and I cured that for about 30 seconds, kind of like a flash cure, but I just wanted the fruit to stay where they were. After I cured that first part for about 30 seconds, like I said, just kind of like a flash cure, I did go in with another thin layer of polygel and then I put that directly on my nail and cured that for 60 seconds or more. I ended up realizing that this method wasn't going to work for all of my nails because as you can see, my nail beds are bien chiquito, so it's really difficult to do this way because the nail itself ends up getting kind of chunky. So I just ended up doing the other way, which was polygel all wet and curing it all together for the rest of my nails, and that ended up working perfect for the rest of my nail beds. I went ahead and cut some of my fruit slices to maximize my space because since my nail beds are so tiny, the full cover tips kind of just got smaller and smaller. So I figured if I cut my fruit slices in half, then I could maximize my space on the full cover tip. And like I said before, I went ahead and did all polygel wet this time. So I did a thin layer, I stuck in the fruits that I wanted and made sure that they were on the bottom as much as possible. Then I went ahead with another layer of polygel and patted it down to my liking, and then I placed it on my nail, cleaned my cuticle, and cured that for more than 60 seconds. And the only reason why I say more than 60 seconds is because since there's a lot of going on, like the fruit slices are not, transparent, so you're gonna have to cure it for a little longer because it's happened to me before where the polygel in between the fruit slices don't cure properly. So just keep that in mind when you're doing fruit slices. enjoyed doing this lazy girl method by Femi Beauty. It was very, very easy to do, and honestly, I get why it's called the lazy girl method because it was so quick to do. It was awesome, and I really enjoyed learning how to do it. So why don't you go check out those videos from Femi Beauty. They're really great if you're trying to learn how to do a different method for your nails. Now, what I did learn as I'm watching myself is that next time I think I'm going to go in with just a base coat to cure my fruit slices in place, and then I'll put that polygel in between. I think I might even try that with flowers, so we'll see how that goes. After I cured my nails for about 60 seconds, I just went in with some alcohol and cleaned the sticky layer that's under my nails. And then I went in with my nail filer and I wanted to just crispen all the edges up. The great thing about these full cover tips is that they're already pinched, they're already perfectly shaped. You just need to fix the tip of them and the sides of them, because sometimes, when you're doing the polygel, it can get kind of stuck on the sides. But honestly, it was a very quick look, and the next thing to do is really to just put top coat and some cuticle oil and you're all done. After I finished my filing, I went in with my safety cuticle bit. It's a really fine grit, so it doesn't, hurt you, number one. And on top of that, it just gently removes anything that's out of order. And after that, you just clean off your nails and put some top coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. I went in with my cuticle oil just to revive all my cuticles, and I think they came out so cute. The fruit slices are just peeking right out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. Y nos vemos en la próxima.